Hello, Jim and Tech Buzz. Next up, we've got some new earbuds in from JBL, the Live Pro Plus TWS with ANC, dual connect and sync, RBA, dual connect and sync, and you've got wireless charging there. You've got 28 hours and 7 hours and 2.1 hours in the charging options there. It's got wireless charging there, as you can see, which is excellent, and adaptive noise cancelling. So on the back here, it'll give you some more information here with your ANC on and off. Obviously it depletes when you use your ANC, like most people do when they buy these earbuds. And you've got fast pairing and works with OK Google and Alexa built in, and 10 minutes charge to give you 1 hour's battery life. So you've got 3 mics technology, and you've JBL signature sound with adaptive noise cancelling with smart ambient. So that's nice to see, and there's some more bits on the side there. So let's pop them out. And a nice presentation as always from JBL. So you pop open the box like so, and it'll just give you some information there on pairing up. Lift up this here, you have got all your little bits and pieces inside, including the case itself. So in here is our booklets, so we'll just pop them out. Yeah, so we're outside here enjoying the sunny weather doing this unboxing, but we'll have the rest of the review indoors as it's a bit noisy. So you've got your setup guides there, Amazon, Google, your user manual, your quick starts, and all that stuff there in your Harman booklet there. And in here we have got the earbuds, and in here we've got our extra tips, I'd say, and our cables. And we have got a nice orange cable and some tips, USB-C to USB-A. And here is the case. Pretty nice with some LEDs up front, USB-C port on the back. And inside, that's what it looks like there, your 3 connection points. It's a nice small subtle case as well, which will fit in any pocket. And here is the earbuds here, look pretty nice indeed. And you can see the JBL branding on them there, and the 3 magnetic points there, left and right marked as well. So we'll pop them into the case. There's your LED indicator lights there, and that's what they look like on that. And they're fairly solid enough in there as they are, and that's basically it for the unboxing and what you're going to get in the package. So